Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we find the hidden money in plain sight. Today we are peeling back the layers of a brand new offering from Praxis Precision Medicines Incorporated, and let's just say they are raising quite a bit of cash. This is a filing that is all about raising money, which is always exciting to see. They are selling shares of their common stock. And in plain English, that means they are selling pieces of their company to investors to get money for their operations. So here is the big news. Praxis Precision Medicines Incorporated announced a big stock offering. They sold over 2.2 million shares of their common stock at a price of $260 per S-Hair. On top of that, they gave the folks buying these shares called underwriters an option to buy even more shares, which the underwriters did. This whole deal is expected to bring in a massive amount of money. That is right, about $621 million is what they are looking to pocket after all the fees and expenses. This is a significant chunk of change, and it tells us they have big plans, or perhaps they just need the funds to keep the lights on and continue their work. So what are they going to do with all this money? They say it is for a few key things. First, getting their promising drug candidates ready to actually be sold to the public, which is a huge step. Second, they're going to keep researching and developing their current pipeline of drugs that are in clinical trials. And third, they want to move their earlier stage projects forward. Plus, they'll need some for regular business operations, what they call working capital, and other general corporate purposes. And here is a crucial piece of information. They believe that with this new money combined with what they already have, they can keep their operations running and fund their spending needs all the way into 2028. This is a pretty big statement. It suggests a level of financial stability for the next few years, assuming their plans go as expected. But as they themselves admit, these are just estimates, and things could change. This offering was set up using a special filing with the SEC called a shelf registration statement. Think of it like getting pre-approval to sell shares over time as needed. They filed this back in December of 2024 and it became effective right away, allowing them to quickly move forward with this money-raising event. Now, what exactly are they selling? It is their common stock with a very small stated value of just 1/10,000th of a cent per cent. What matters more is the trading symbol, which is Prax. These shares are listed on the Nasdaq Global Select Market, a major stock exchange. Like most companies making big announcements, they have included what are called forward-looking statements. This is standard practice. They are essentially making educated guesses about the future, like how much money they expect to make from this offering, how they plan to spend it, and how long that money will last. But it is super important to remember these are just predictions. Things like market conditions or unexpected setbacks can change everything. They also point to their other SEC filings for a more detailed look at potential risks. The agreement detailing this whole offering was signed on the 6th of January 2026. The main players on the other side are Piper Sandler and Company TD Securities USA LLC and Guggenheim Securities LLC, acting as representatives for the group of underwriters. And as is customary for these types of deals, they've included a legal opinion from Latham & Watkins LLP. This document essentially confirms that the shares being sold are legally valid. So wrapping up our look at this Praxis Precision Medicines Incorporated filing, what is the story here? The company is raising a substantial amount of capital, over $600 million. This is a clear indicator of their ambition and their need for funding to advance their drug development pipeline. The fact that they believe this money will carry them through 2028 provides a good degree of financial visibility, assuming their plans materialize without major hitches. However, it is crucial to remember that the pharmaceutical industry, especially in drug development, is inherently risky. Successful commercialization of late-stage candidates is far from guaranteed, and the path from research to approved medicine is long and challenging. The company itself acknowledges this by mentioning the risks outlined in their other filing. This cash infusion is a vote of confidence from investors and a necessary step for them to pursue their ambitious goals. But the ultimate success will depend on their ability to bring their products to market and generate revenue from them. Alright, that is our breakdown of Praxis Precision Medicines Incorporated's latest move. What is your take on this big stock offering and what it means for the company's future? Do you think they can pull off their ambitious plans? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate finances like this. Also, don't forget to check out the Discord community link in the description for more real-time insights and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.